welcome back. So the 9th August 2026 episode of Kyuki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahuti brings intense drama as Tulsi refuses to let Karan control Samaira's future. Meanwhile, Sid is determined to fight for his relationship with Samaira, even as Karan prepares for her engagement with Parag. The episode begins with Karan searching for Sid. During this, he crosses path with Soumya from Ye Fitur Tera and meets Jeet. Karan jokingly asks Soumya if Jeet is her boyfriend, but she quickly denies it. Karan teases them that they may eventually fall in love before walking away. Jeet then asks Soumya what she was saying about him, but she cleverly changes the topic by offering him caramelized paratha. The mood becomes serious at the Virani house when Gautam warns Tulsi not to interfere in Karan's decision regarding Samaira. Tulsi refuses to stay silent. She argues that Samaira's entire future is at stake, and she reminds Gautam that the family must stand together instead of allowing Karan's stubbornness to destroy three lives. Things become even more alarming when Tulsi learns that Karan has locked Samaira inside a room. Tulsi and Shobha rush to her while Nandini questions Karan's decision. Karan insists that he is only trying to protect his daughter and believes Samaira has brought this situation upon herself. Tulsi strongly objects and reminds Karan that Samaira has previously struggled with depression and had once reached the point of attempting suicide. She fears that putting her under extreme pressure could push her towards another dangerous decision. Tulsi refuses to leave her locked up and finally opens the door. Samaira comes out and desperately tries to make Karan understand her feelings. Although Karan promises not to lock her up again, he remains firm about her engagement with Parag. Devastated, Samaira turns towards Nandini and begs her mother to stop him. Later, Samaira contacts Sid and tells him that she feels trapped in her own home. Sid becomes furious and decides to come and take her away. Samaira warns him that doing so could expose their relationship, but Sid refuses to back down. He openly declares his love and says he will fight for her. Just as Sid prepares to act, Siddhant arrives and stops him. He asks Sid to trust Tripti and wait while he speaks to Samaira's family. However, Karan soon becomes suspicious of Siddhant and orders him to stay away from the family's personal matters. Meanwhile, Karan becomes emotional while remembering moments from his past with Parth. He believes nobody understands that he is only trying to protect his daughter, yet his controlling behavior is creating an even greater distance between him and Samaira. As the engagement preparation continues, Tulsi remains determined to protect Samaira's happiness, with Sid refusing to give up, Tripti preparing another move, and Karan unwilling to change his decision. The stage is set for a major confrontation. The biggest question now is whether Tulsi and Sid can stop Samaira's engagement before it is too late, or whether Karan will succeed in forcing his decision on his daughter. Thank you for watching. Bye.